Your stuttering loves when you speak monotonously. Your stuttering loves when you don't vary the tone of your voice. And your stuttering loves when you are afraid of showing your emotions. So in order to reverse that, in order to start being more fluent right now, or in the next conversation that you're going to have, you have to allow yourself, give yourself permission to show your emotions when you speak. Add some music to your speech. You can be speaking to anybody, you can be speaking to your friend, or you can be just recording a voice message. You can be talking to your colleagues, or you can just be talking to yourself. Make it a new habit. Make it a new habit. Start to add emotions and rhythm into your everyday speaking opportunities. This will give you an instant uplift. This will instantly uplift you from the misery of stuttering. It will help you to taste the freedom, and if you are persistent enough, if you are ready to work on yourself, then this can become your new normality, your new speech, fluent, totally, controlled, totally fluent and musical and confident, charismatic. You name it, whatever you want. Anything but out of control stuttering, right? So this can be done right now, this very moment. Just add music to your voice, add rhythm, add music, add pausing, and add emotion. The most important thing, everything comes from your emotion. In order to change, you have to introduce new habits into your daily routine. And if you want your speech to change, it's the same. Change your speech, add emotions, and enjoy your fluency.